Hi, I'm William, and today we're talking about the new Delite4. Before we jump into the details, a quick general introduction to the model. The Delite is a Riese Müller classic, with the aim to always be at the forefront of technical development. Our top-of-the-range bike. The bike has full suspension to ensure optimal traction even at high speeds and a generally sporty character. This makes it ideal for everyday commutes and long tours on forest and gravel trails. Even the curbs and bumps of an urban environment are smoothed over with ease. But what's new? With the Delite4, we have updated the Delite to the Bosch Smart System. The bike is powered by the 4th generation Bosch Performance Line CX motor. With a torque of 85 Nm, it is particularly powerful and agile. We also increased the range with a 750 Wh battery as standard. If that's not enough, the optional range extender offers another 250 Wh of battery power, for a total of 1000 Wh, enough for even the longest tours. The battery weighs 1.6 kilograms and can simply be attached to the water bottle holder via an adapter and connected to the motor via the charging port. The update to the new smart system also comes with new display options. The choices are Purion 200, Kiox 300 and the slightly larger Kiox 500. The Purion 200 combines the functionality of the LED remote with a 1.6-inch color display, providing a very clean cockpit. Alternatively, the Kiox 3 and 500 are mounted in addition to the LED remote in the center of the handlebar. New to the smart system is the Auto mode, which, as the name suggests, automatically adapts the power output to the riding conditions. In other words, it provides more support on hills and less on flats, and also reacts to head or tailwinds to optimize your comfort and battery consumption. Another new feature is the smart pushing aid with hill hold function. This prevents the bike from rolling back unintentionally. We offer 3 gearing options: the Delite4 Touring with the Shimano 11-speed derailleur, the Delite4 Vario with a continuous transmission Enviolo 380 hub with belt drive, and the new and long-awaited Delite4 Roll-Off. The combination of the electronic roll-off 14-speed gear hub with belt drive embedded in the new Bosch Smart System. Also new with the Smart System, the Delite4 will be available as an S-Pedelec with all 3 gearing options. Here the performance line speed supports you up to a maximum of 45 km/h. As usual with the Delite models, we also distinguish between GT, meaning Gran Turismo, and GX, which stands for Grand Cross. The standard version is GT, with wide road tyres. For added rider safety, the Bosch ABS 2.0 was also added to the feature list on GT models. It blends into the design seamlessly and guarantees optimum control under heavy braking. A locked-up front wheel, as well as the lifting of the rear wheel, are safely prevented. The GX option is particularly suitable for those who ride off-road a lot. It comes with wide Schwalbe Johnny Watts tyres, a Fox suspension fork with 140mm travel, a sporty saddle and a hydraulic seat post. The GX version is also available with a Fox Float 34 Performance Boost fork and Fox DPS suspension element. The high-quality suspension can be tuned to any undertaking with 15 finely adjustable rebound damping levels. The Delite4 comes as standard with the Supernova M99 Mini Pro headlight with a high beam function and the Supernova M99 rear light with an integrated brake light. To adequately protect your bike, an Abus folding lock is also standard. The frame-mounted and therefore suspended luggage rack is also standard equipment. With the GT version, a pannier rack is available as an alternative option. That was already a lot of options, but we have even more possibilities to individualize your bike in store for you. Additional storage space can be added by opting for the front carrier with or without a bag. The Comfort Kit provides a more relaxed riding position with curved handlebars and a wider saddle. For premium security, opt for the RX chip to make your bike a connected bike. It enables you to lock and track your bike digitally via the RX Connect app. The connectivity for the first year is included. If you want to book any RX services, including our Connect Care insurance services, the RX chip is mandatory. For more information, check out our website or subscribe to this YouTube channel. And last but not least, the colours. We offer 2 variants, Tundra Grey Matte and Urban Grey Matte. Let's summarise. With its larger battery, the Delite4 offers the ideal setup for everyone who likes to ride tours or commute longer distances. Thanks to the multitude of options, such as the additional battery capacity through the range extender, the ABS 2.0 or the suspension options, you can adapt the bike to your individual needs. That's it from me. Thank you for watching and see you soon.